How to recover your Google account without any option. No password, no recovery Gmail, no phone number. So, let's fix it. Usually, when I try to log into my Gmail account without a password, Google tells me that couldn't signed in. Then, if you follow my tricks, you can easily recover your Gmail account. You can see that here I am trying to log in without a password, but see what happens? Does it allow me to log in without a password? Oh shit, Gmail account won't let me log in. Says couldn't sign in. Now, let's see how to log in to Gmail account without password. If you are a new viewer of my channel, please subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need to open Settings, then open Google. After opening the Google option, tap on the three dots and then tap on the Help option. After turning on the Help option, tap on the search bar. Then search couldn't sign in. After typing this and searching, tap on the first option that appears, can't sign in to your Google account. Now, you tap on forget your password. Then you need to tap recover your Google account or Gmail. Now you have to enter the Gmail account you want to log into. I am entering my Gmail, which I will log into. Then tap on Next button. Welcome back. Now, my Gmail account is logged in. Now, you need to press the Continue button to proceed. I'll scroll down a bit and tab again to the Continue button. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you recover your Google account, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more fixing guide tutorials.